Hey everyone, welcome to Genius Tech. So today I'm going to be reviewing Realme Buds Air, the most sold TWS in India by Realme. And today I'm going to be reviewing and doing an unboxing. So in the box you'll be getting the Realme Buds Air and the Type-C USB charging cable, and has a Type-C and wireless charging support, which is really good. And in the box you'll be getting the Buds Air manual. I got the white color, and the other color variants are also available, yellow and black. And the next one we are going to be talking is the build quality. The build quality is really important whenever you are buying something that's costing that much. And here it is really good. And the most important thing is the battery indicator, the red for low, medium for orange, and green for good. And build quality is okay, it's better than what you pay for, and the earbuds quality is also good. And each earbud has 2 microphones for each one, and which means you can get the environmental noise cancellation whenever you are taking calls. And whenever you are buying or you are planning to buy this headset, you better or try out someone's Apple earbuds, or if anyone has this sort of earbud design, because it won't fit in every ear, and the case has wireless charging support and a single button for pairing. And the fitting inside your ear, it depends totally upon your ear canal size, so it fit perfectly in my ears. And now let's talk about the pairing. The pairing is pretty simple, and whenever you have your phone and your earbuds paired, you just need to open the lid of the earbuds case and it'll automatically connect to your phone if your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. And it works seamlessly. And you can also use the Realme Link app, which is available in the Google Play Store, in which it'll be showing you guys about each earbud batteries, and also you can re-modify the left and right earbuds tap features, gestures, etc. And you can also tap on firmware update for updating your earbuds. I got one firmware update. Then we're going to be talking about the overall. And there's the final thoughts of me. I've been using this for 2 months and I would give it a solid 3.5 out of 5. The sound quality is also really good. Thanks for watching. That's it for now. Like and subscribe.